Let's begin with homothetic preferences. They have the property that all income elasticities of demand are equal to 1. This means that as income changes, the proportion of income spent on each good remains constant. The assumption significantly reduces the number of demand system parameters. For an n-good model, the parameters decrease from n plus 4 times n minus 1 divided by 2 to n plus 2 times n minus 1 divided by 2. For example, in a 3-good model, the parameters are reduced from 7 to 5, as shown in the first two rows of Table 4-1. This reduction is achieved by eliminating the degrees of freedom associated with income elasticities. Next, we consider quasi-linear utility. This utility function is defined by its additivity in the quantity of one good, known as the numeraire good. In this framework, all other goods have a zero income elasticity. This means that changes in income do not affect the demand for these goods. A key feature of quasi-linear utility is that the Hicksian and Marshallian demand functions coincide for any good that is not the numeraire. Similar to homothetic preferences, the quasi-linear assumption also reduces the degrees of freedom by n-1. Both homothetic preferences and quasi-linear utility are powerful tools in simplifying demand systems.